Are these the
I'm a helicopter.
Woohoo! We have to lay out the fruit cart.
Wow. Wow. Stop singing, I'm doing the intro. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's windy. We're gonna put together a shed. Yay. Done. Yeah, so today we're gonna build a shed, and it's over there in the garage. We're building the shed because, well, it's a tarp type shed. Metal frame, tarp. We're gonna put it behind the house because we have not enough space in our garage. So like mower, snow blower. I forgot what to say.
You got a lot of junk in your trunk.
10 by 10 foot. Yeah, it's 10 by 10 inches. I don't know how tall it is. I don't think it's 10 feet tall.
I'm the junk in the garage. We're building me a house. Shut your mouth when you're talking to me.
Yeah.
Come in the bush.
How big's 10 feet?
Your basketball net.
I'm not gonna bring that over here and lay it down. There. No matter what, don't drop it.
We have to peel this off.
There's nothing you can't do with a wrench. Go away, this is mine now. You girls have like 8 different cooking shows. Put 2s over here.
I have a 2.
So put it over here.
I have a smaller one. One go right here. Yes. One go right here.
6.
I have 2. Ooh, curvy piece.
Curvy piece.
Curvy piece.
7.
Curvy piece.
Curvy?
Is this a 6 or a 9? 9.
Do not assemble in windy conditions.
Number 1, lay out roof part.
Tarp? I found it.
Okay.
Can we install it my way and then do the instructions?
Where are the bolts? Are these the bolts?
I'm a helicopter.
Woohoo! We have to lay out the fruit cart.
Wow. Wow. Ow. Why did that happen? Oh. Where's the bolt? Not.
The holes aren't lined up.
Yeah, they are. So why didn't you just line them up then?
No idea what these are.
I bet they come up in instructions at some point.
Yeah, why aren't you reading the instructions?
I thought you were building this.
That's a goose.
It would be way faster if you let me do it by myself.
Those go on those.
This is 6 feet.
This is not 6
That
feet.
is not
This
6 feet.
I'm 6'5". I mean 6'7".
It's smaller than
Really?
you.
You're
It's smaller
6'7".
than you. You can't get.
You're
5'7".
6'7".
You're short, Uncle.
Look who's talking. Are you going to be putting your precious, valuable stuff in the shed?
Yes.
No, we're putting all of Mama's stuff in here. I mean, what? Give me 2 of each.
Rat-a-tat-tat. Rat-a-tat-tat. Rat-a-tat-tat.
Are you a machine gun?
Where's my wrench, boss?
I am the shed.
I'm a done.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful day. What is that?
It's soft. Really?
What? Do you see Black Adam?
Yeah.
Dwayne Johnson's it.
Next year.
Yeah, it's coming out next year.
Well, then how would I have seen it?
Okay, now do the middle. There's another leg.
Come on.
Try not to break it. Oh, that didn't work. 8.
Yep.
What's this? 7.
So that goes into the pipe.
Stop doing it the right way then.
Uncle.
I can only go so high with
Uncle, this side.
Uncle's height disability.
Really? I'm not 6'6" like you. You should have reached it. All right. Is that good? Right here?
Really? Because we need 2 clamps to clamp on each side.
Why
Thing
did
on.
the chicken do jumping jacks?
Why?
Because she wanted scrambled eggs.
You need the clamp on it.
Yeah, you put the clamp on first. Also, when Uncle says it, you're like, oh.
It makes sense when I say it.
Put the bolt on?
You have it in your pocket.
Oh yeah, I do.
You and I are going to do this side, and we're going to beat them. Get that? We need the pipe. Actually.
But what if we find it when we're putting it?
It's going to happen. You know that. If we go and buy a nut, we will find it. If we don't, we'll never find it.
Okay.
Really?
It looks like a big piece of cheese.
You're going to walk around, and then you'll pull it up. There you go. Keep going. Uh-oh, hold on. How am I going to get over?
How are you gonna get over it? How am I gonna
I
get
need a
over it?
ladder. You're holding here.
Okay, that was a bit.
You hold that corner and don't let go.
No, wait, no.
So this pocket.
So we need to undo the bar to run through this.
And it said we couldn't do it on windy conditions.
I know. We proved them wrong.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. What does indivisible mean? Welcome to our new ASMR YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna be building a shed. Did you know that? I think you did.
Stop kissing the mic.
Oh yes, you see the shit. I'm not kissing the mic, I'm doing something called ASMR. My name is David Hasselhoff. Hey bud. How are you doing? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's moving. Spider. We're starting a documentary.
Before.
There's only 3 here.
High five? Come on, let's high five. He gave me a high five.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hairs on my chin, chin, chin.
On my Jackie Chan chin.
Let's come to fighting.
Uncle, it's pretty dusty in here.
Wonder why.
Maybe because the ground is dirt.
This is our shed. Something changed throughout the whole video. Comment what it was. Ta-da! Peace out, guys. I'm gonna swap between these 2 hats the entire video.